Hi guys, how are you? I think you are doing well. So in this video I am going to show you how can you solve the problem some account setting are moving in Instagram. So before starting the video I ask you for something. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. For solving the problem you have to go first your setting option. From settings you have to find app management. From app management you have to click here app list. From app list you have to find your Instagram. You can see here my Instagram. For Instagram you have to select app and cache and you have to clear storage and cache. Then you have to get back from here and you have to go your Instagram. If that's way your problem solved, that's good. If that's way not solved, then you have to go your Play Store and you have to search here Instagram. From Instagram you have to make sure your Instagram updated, and then again you have to try and have to see your problem fixed or not. If this way your problem not fixed it, then you have to go your Instagram. From Instagram you have to log in first and you have to click here your profile icon. From profile icon you have to click here settings. From settings you have to find health and you have to click here report a problem. From report a problem you have to first off check phone to report a problem, and then you have to click again report a problem. Then you have to click here including and continue. Then here you have to write a report, so I write it from before, so I will copy it from my notepad. You can see here I am on my notepad. So you can see here I write a message, so I am simply copy it from here. You can copy it from here or I will put it on my description. You will can copy it from my description. So you have to simply go your Instagram again and you have to paste it here and you have to upload your screenshot of your problem and you have to send it to Instagram team. So after sending your message they will receive it and within 3 or 4 days they will get back to you and fixed your problem. So this is today's video. If you have any inquiry related to the video you can ask me in comment box, and also I provided my Facebook link in description box. You can connect with me in my Facebook. Thank you.